Yeah.
Are you videotaping this?
No, I'm not videotaping. Yes, I am. I'm running. Oh my god.
Holy crap! Hey, go on. Come on, let's go.
Oh my gosh. It's like a muddy water out here.
Oh my god, my stomach's gonna get wet.
What is this? What are you doing right now?
Over there.
What? I have soaking water. New building. New high school building. Phase 1. Dun dun dun. Well, some people don't even know.
So you're videotaping this, aren't you?
Yes.
Oh my god! I didn't know that! Amazing! Come on.
Okay. Oh my gosh, okay.
That's not very much skirt what is. It used to be light gray.
Look how wet mine is. It's like soaking wet. Soaking, double soaking wet.
Wait, first
I love Mobile.
first I coughed, okay? Don't run!
I'm walking, that's how I walk. Oh my gosh, there's a car coming. I want my stuck out here. I want my stuck out here. I want my stuck out here. Okay. You make sure to kick up a lot of water. Woo!
Oh, let me show you something cool, camera.
Okay. You know this is going to go on YouTube. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's lightning. Oh my gosh. People have no idea. Oh. Sorry, teacher. I don't even know who you are. Oh my gosh, this is fun! Footprint. Move, footprint.
It's a river. Oh!
I guess this river. Do you want to go to the 8th grade building? Oh, I love this weather. Hey, look. Wait. Look. Out here.
Hey, look!
Something out here. Come on. Nasty. I love kicking water. Oh my gosh, I got it in my eye. Oh my gosh, I got grass water in my eye. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. I don't know.
I can't believe it's not raining.
I know, it was raining hard earlier. I'm soaking wet, pull it down to my other part. Inside a high school building. I'm supposed to have a camera on. I might not be able to walk. Hey.
Feel it?
I might not be.
It's soaking.
I know.
You know
It's,
that's bad?
I know. You got used to it again. Wait, say that again. Say that again. Say that word again. Say that.
Home from carrying home in your pocket, Daddy.
Ooh.
Zelda wallet.
Okay.